Posted up here in the van at Zilker Park in downtown Austin. Just kind of feeling happy. Van log, day 2. But I'm in a town called Rockwall, which is right next to like a bunch of water I just drove over, tons of boats, and it's super cool. I'm at Anytime Fitness and to post up here and do a little bit of work. I'm here in Little Rock, Arkansas. The weather out here is pretty perfect, so I think I'm gonna stay here for the night. I just finished getting a workout at a Planet Fitness. You can see it here in Memphis. And I'm gonna head out to Nashville, a spot to park for the night. I'm right outside of a Cracker Barrel because they actually have like reserved RV parking and stuff. So I'm just north of Roanoke, Virginia. Never happens. Got Daniel in here doing some magical upgrades to the electrical system.
Oh snap.
So that way I can have a functional fridge, functional toe kick lighting. Eventually this whole thing's gonna be live. Island Beach State Park. Alright, have my first official pizza in New York, red brick buildings. I got a white pizza and what looks to be a chicken Parmesan roll. So I'm going to meet my friend for some pre-Grand Central Station and Exploration coffee. And look at this, quintessential, this is where her brother lives, quintessential New York apartment situation. This is awesome. Boston, Mass. They got castles and shit. Alright fam, just stopped at GNC to get a quick drink, and I am here in something called the City Commons, which is pretty big in Boston. I guess you guys can't really see me, but if I do this, you can see all the cool stuff. Alright gang, it's been a successful day of working, got my workout in, just finished up working on a client program, getting second coffee in, and I'm going to get scared on a bus, and I'm down by the harbor. Alright gang, I am here in Portland, Maine. Alright guys, I'm still here in Portland and I got another van life merit badge. Alright, so this is the beginning of the desk space office redesign. I've taken some things off, some of the 3D back panel, this odd shaped piece of C-pillar or C-column cover. Got a nice big space behind here that I forgot about I can use. But I'm about to cut and fit some of this felt material. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It's dark in here so you can't really tell, but I cleaned up the desk, no extra glue. This is all the same stuff you guys saw, super clean. I can already hear that it sounds softer in here, sounds more like a recording booth. Super pumped about this little cubby back here. And the next step is to adhere my, my proper foam when it gets here. Okay, here's a finished product. I got all of the recording studio style sound deadening up. That's the door. Obviously the desk here. And now it looks like it's all one continuous piece, which aesthetically is awesome, but it's also going to act as pretty awesome sound deadening and retaining heat for running that diesel heater. But this is it, and I gotta say I'm super happy with it. Alright guys, I am finally getting to the vertical garage portion of the van. So it's come along pretty good. This is just the dry fit. I just put up these 3 pieces of wood, and I'm about to pull them down, vacuum it up, and then some spray glue. I'm gonna use the stuff that you would use, I guess, to make like a speaker box or something. I'm gonna glue that on here. Okay, there it is. Minimal screws, some staples, some glue, and just a little bit of speaker box material. Really starting to pull this thing together, and I've got some good ideas to really clean this garage space up, make it look, I don't know, like it's not a mess. Yo, look at the extension. What is this?